Hey, it's Liam, and welcome to my third set of 7/7s, where 7 times, after 7 o'clock, every 7 days, in 7 minutes, I'm going to do 7 reactions to 7 bits of trivia. I got it the first try! Alright, so I'm going to get started. I already saw this one because it's like right there, and I am blind, but I did read it. The question is, which is the loudest land animal? I would have to think about something like, well, I mean, sometimes you go out in the summer and like there's crickets and they're just like deafening, but that's like thousands of crickets, so that probably doesn't count. An animal that has to be loud might be something like a lion for territory, or like an elk screaming in the woods, maybe looking for a mate, or elephants. Elephants are just very loud, but like, is the reason that they're loud not just like, is it like the loud that we can't hear? Does that count as being loud? It's time to look. Loudest animal is appropriately named the howler monkey, 140 decibels, pain and damage to your hearing. Other loud mouths are seals, elephants, wolves, and lions. So I did know about the monkey. I think I did know about the monkey, but elves and elephants, wolves, elves. I said elves. I'm not cutting that out. Yes, I said elves. Elves are the loudest animal. Next question. Is there a junkyard in outer space? That is a loaded question, but yeah, there is a junkyard. All the broken little bits of everything just floating around the earth. Or it's kind of like, you know, in Star Wars where there's junk starships, or maybe in Star Trek where Starfleet leaves its older ships. What are they talking about? 500,000 pieces of space junk orbiting the Earth at speeds up to 17,000 miles an hour. It sounds like a good opportunity for an extraterrestrial recycling business. Well, it actually sounds really close to the Earth to be extraterrestrial. The next question is, there is a prize behind one of 3 doors. It's one of those, this isn't random trivia. This is one of these in every session. All right, here we go. Let's just do it. There is a prize behind one of 3 doors. I'm already tense. You pick a door. You do, not me. One of the 2 remaining doors opens. It does not have the prize. For the best chance of winning, should you switch your pick to stay? Should you switch your pick to the other door or stay with your original pick? I don't really care. I'm not getting a grade on this. Are you? Switch your pick to the other remaining door to third. You know what? I don't really care. I don't do math anymore unless I'm getting paid or I'm paying my own bills. Okay? That's how it works when you get older. Is there an infinite number of geometric patterns? Well, I don't see why there wouldn't be. Infinite number of geometric patterns. Before what, the pattern repeats, and what's infinite and what they mean by patterns? Oops, I almost dropped it. No, all 2-dimensional repeating shapes can be identified by one of only 17 different patterns. All 2-dimensional repeating shapes can be identified by one of only 17 different patterns. And then it talks about wallpaper and website design, but never mind that. I think that's a joke. But one of 17 different, I don't know, I'd need a visual. I need a visual aid for that one because I don't know what they're talking about. If you know what they're talking about, you can leave a comment. Oh, look, I sounded like a YouTuber. Alright. Which is fastest? A batted baseball, a golf shot, or a tennis serve? A batted baseball, a golf shot, or a tennis serve? A tennis serve. Tennis serve. So not a pitched baseball, but a batted one. Golf shot or a tennis serve. I mean, the batted baseball and the golf shot they're about getting it as far away as possible. But a tennis serve isn't about distance, it's about speed. I'm gonna go with tennis serve because it feels different than the other 2. Look, everybody likes being right, and it sounds like it's being right. If it changes halfway through, I'm gonna be crushed. No, I'm right. Okay. At top speeds, the tennis serve is the fastest, exceeding 160 miles per hour. Holy crap. All right. While the golf shot comes in at 150, in last place is the batted ball moving at 120 miles per hour. Sorry, no kilometers here. There's really, okay, I don't even know if that's an appropriate joke at the end. But 160 miles per hour for the tennis serve, 150 for the golf shot. If you can tell the difference between 160 miles per hour and 150 miles per hour, well, good for you. How many have we got? I've got 5. Making like a pattern. So I'm on number 6. Where is a day longer than a year? A day longer than a year. I think it's Mercury, because it rotates slower than it revolves around the sun. Which I can't really, I can't wrap my head around that, but I've learned about it because I'm a space geek. Oh, I'm gonna have to turn in my space geek credentials. Okay, Mike. On Venus, because the planet rotates so slowly that it travels around the sun before it completes a rotation on its axis. And then there's a joke about a bad hair day. But, so Venus rotates backwards too, but that doesn't come into play. I'm curious though about why, what is it about Mercury that, are they both that way, but Venus is the one that just takes longer in reverse? I'm gonna have to look that up because I am, as I said, a space geek. Even though I was wrong. I'll take a loss. Here we go. What is the one number that you cannot make with Roman numerals? I think it's 0. I don't remember ever seeing a number 4. 0. Clearly, ancient Romans always had too much of everything and they never ran out of stuff. Ain't that the truth? That's why they're still around. So that's 7 sevens. So thanks for watching. It's now 7.5 minutes. So, we're around 7 minutes. Not like... Anyway, thanks for watching. There are comments and likes and all that stuff. I don't expect anyone to do that because I'm not a real YouTuber. But thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.